Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 12th of December, but it is pretty late. It is, I think, around 8:30. Billy and I went out for dinner. We went to VLOGMAS and I got yakisoba and it was very yummy. And if you don't go to VLOGMAS and get the cloudy lemonade, then what are you doing? Because it's like the best thing in the world. I really wanted to try and do, like, try my hardest and do vlogmas every single day, but I knew that it would be like really hard because obviously there's not really a lot to film, and like even going out it's not really the same. So yeah, I am gonna try and go out and film some things, but every time I go out I always bring my camera, but I just never film because I just think, I don't know, it's just all a bit weird at the moment. And all the shops that I go into that I want to film, like Primark and that, all the Christmassy stuff is basically like gone and sold out. B&M, like I went there a couple, like probably like 2 weeks ago, and they had hardly any Christmas stuff left. I mean, I'll still vlog it. I think I'll go into like B&M or something at some point and vlog in there, but I'm just warning you that it probably just won't be a lot of Christmassy stuff, and I wasn't sure if you guys wanted to see that because obviously Vlogmas is meant to be really festive, and yeah, there's not really a lot of festive things that we can do at the moment. But I thought I would show you my dress. So this is the dress that I bought from, I think, Pull & Bear. I showed it in another video. It is like a chocolatey brown colour, and it is just like square neck and bodycon. It's like ribbed. The only annoying thing is like the straps, because the sleeves are so low, so I kind of have to pull my straps quite far and then pull the thing like this, which can be a bit annoying. But and these things, how annoying are they? But also I'm wearing my my new boots from Zara, the ones that I got for my birthday. I love them, they're so cute. To be honest, I have got some blisters on my ankle. That's to be expected with some new boots. I haven't opened my advent calendar, the 12th. The little ball. They've literally all been these little balls the past like probably every single day, other than like the first. The first was a reindeer. I think the rest are all these little balls, and then the last one's like a Santa. That's fine. And I did my nails, and they are all red and ready for Christmas. I feel like I always just put you here now because it's just like convenient. It's on like my little well, it's a jewellery box, but I don't use it for jewellery, I use it for sunglasses. But I ordered some tights from a small shop, from a small business called Embella Accessories. That's the website there, if you can see that. And yeah, so cute. They're basically just like the Gucci tights, like they're kind of like fake Gucci tights, like Gucci inspired. Because I like the look of the Gucci tights, but they're like £90. Like I can't justify spending £90 on a pair of tights. Like imagine if they get a ladder in them or rip, like whereas these, I think I paid like £12 something for them. I think they were, I think they are £15 on the website, but they have like a discount code from Instagram. I think it's like Insta15 or something like that. So I got discount on it, and yeah, so I paid like £12, which is a lot better than the £90. But they actually feel really good quality. To be honest, I thought they were going to be really thin, but they're not. They actually feel quite thick, which is nice, especially obviously because of winter. So yeah, it's really cute. Little small business. It's nice to support small businesses at this time, especially for Christmas. Something like this I feel like would be a really cute stocking filler present, or if you're getting like your friends presents and you don't want to spend a lot, I feel like these are a safe option. They have kind of like Fendi inspired tights as well on there, which are also lovely. And I was saying to Billy, I think I might buy them ones. But yeah, she has lots of like different accessories on her website. She has like bags, hats, pajamas, scarves, like quite a lot. And she also has an Instagram page, so definitely check that out. I also got a late birthday present today. It came in the post. The brand, the Naked Marshmallow company. And it's really cool. It's like one of those like marshmallow toasting things, I guess. So I was thinking like me and Billy could buy like, or we'll probably already have some, like digestives, and then melt some chocolate, and then we can basically make s'mores. So it comes like this, and it's really, really cute, to be honest. Like, it makes a really good present. Yeah, it's just the Naked Marshmallow company, and they have Instagram too. And it comes with this, which is like the little toaster, and it comes with like the skewers that you put the marshmallows on, and then you can choose 2 flavours. I think they have quite a few different flavours, but they got me the salted caramel ones and the vanilla bean. And yeah, it's really cute. So that is the company. I just think these are really cute. I went onto the website because I had seen stuff like this before, but I didn't really know like where you could buy it. And they do lots of different types of like sets that you can buy. You can buy like a actual s'mores set. You can buy like marshmallow set. They even do gift cards, I think, if you don't know what to get someone but you want to get them a gift card. But I just think something like this is so cute, and I think Billy and I can do this one day or evening whilst we're watching a Christmas movie. I think that would be really fun. Maybe we could make like a little den downstairs, watch a Christmas movie, and toast some marshmallows. I think that would be really fun. That's like quite a fun thing to do whilst nothing's really open. I bought a dress from Misguided, got next day delivery, and did it come next day? No. Whenever I need something to come next day, it never ends up coming. So typical. Whenever I buy something and get the next day delivery, and I'm not really bothered if it comes next day, it comes next day. It is literally so typical. But anyway, I'm just going to keep it, and then hopefully I'll be able to wear it at some point. But it's just this like tie-dye, long-sleeved, ribbed dress. I haven't tried it on yet, but to be honest, it kind of looks like the dress I'm wearing at the moment, but just tie-dye. So I might even be able to wear this in the day with the boots I'm wearing. And it is nice material. It's like really soft. I don't know what the material is. It's ribbed, but it's like really like soft, like kind of like slinky material, but it doesn't look see-through at all actually, which is good because we don't like stuff that's see-through. It makes it so obvious that you've got it like from a cheap shop. Like, I think I paid like £13 for this. It was originally £20, so even that is so cheap for a dress. But I got discount, so yeah, I paid like £13, which was fabulous. My bedroom is an absolute tip. But does anyone just kind of like ignore it and then hope that it just goes away on its own? Because I do that all the time and it never does. So, but I think I'm going to ignore it a bit longer and just have a bath instead. Some of this stuff is Billy's stuff though, so he can tidy his stuff up and I'll just have to do all mine. Oh, but it is a lot of stuff that I just can't be arsed with. And I've got all my birthday cards here, because obviously Mum has taken them down, which is so annoying. All the Christmas cards going up now. But I never want to get rid of cards, but I just don't want to hoard cards. I don't know where to put them all. So I only end up keeping like the ones from Billy, my mum, and then like my nan and granddad. But it's annoying because I kind of want to keep all of them as just like a souvenir to being 23. But I literally would have nowhere to put them. And I don't like hoarding stuff. I literally hate hoarding stuff. So I think I'm gonna have to throw most of these away and just keep the ones from Billy and my mum and my nan and granddad. And then I'll have to get rid of these, which is so annoying because I wish I could keep them, but I literally have nowhere to put them. Even these ones I think are going to have to live in a drawer. But I literally, this is just getting ridiculous. I have like nowhere to put things. I'm going to run a bath and I might actually put a bath bomb in it. Oh, I might do the Butter Bear bath bomb. That's always a good one, isn't it? Oh, just smells like a classic. The little bear. Oh, he's dripping everywhere. The little cutie. So he is going in the bath. Lily. Hello. Are you guarding the house like a good girl? Guarding the house like a good girl. No. Whilst my bath is running, I think I'm gonna try and tidy up a little bit, make it a little bit cleaner.